Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best UTV winches is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any UTV owner, offering a lifeline in various off-road scenarios. From navigating challenging terrains to assisting in recovery situations, a reliable winch can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the top UTV winches on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your vehicle's capabilities and ensure you're prepared for any adventure. Number 5. FieryRed 5,500 pounds ATV UTV electric winch. This FieryRed winch features a powerful 2.2 HP motor and a 3-stage planetary gear system, providing reliable pulling power for your ATV or UTV. It has a gear reduction ratio of 166:1, making it ideal for various off-road situations. Built with powder-coated heavy-duty steel, this winch is rust and corrosion resistant. The synthetic rope boasts a braking strength of 23,809 pounds and is equipped with an automatic brake for secure operation. The IP67 waterproof design protects all sensitive components. The wireless remote control offers convenient operation with an 80-foot range. It uses an upgraded synthetic rope that is significantly stronger than traditional options. This allows you to control the winch from a distance. The kit includes everything needed for installation, along with a user manual for easy wiring. You can easily mount it on your vehicle's front bumper or winch bracket. The synthetic rope is safer, more flexible, and easier to handle. With a 5,500 pounds towing capacity, this winch is perfect for rescuing vehicles from challenging terrains. It's waterproof, mudproof, and snowproof, ensuring reliable performance in any weather condition. The package includes the winch, control box, wired and wireless controllers, and more. What we like. This winch boasts a robust 5,500 pounds capacity, perfect for tackling tough terrains. It also features a convenient wireless remote, allowing you to control it from a distance. If you frequently find yourself off-roading in challenging conditions, this winch's waterproof design will give you peace of mind, knowing it can handle any weather. What people say. Great winch with plenty of pulling power. Straightforward install though doesn't come with any directions. I wired it as per wiring diagram and the remote works properly, but the manual switch does not work at all. Number 4. X-Bull 4,500 pounds winch. This winch features a larger, more powerful motor, delivering 1.5 horsepower. It's designed to tackle tough jobs with ease, providing the strength you need. With a 3-stage planetary gear system, this winch boasts an impressive 4,500 pound capacity. It's built to handle heavy-duty tasks, ensuring you get the job done efficiently. The winch has a 136:1 gear ratio, minimizing vibration. A dynamic brake keeps your vehicle secure. It offers a full load line speed of 8.6 foot-min and a no-load speed of 20.5 foot-min. This electric winch includes an 82-foot range wireless remote control and a handlebar mini rocker switch. It's a reliable companion for various tasks, making your work easier. The winch has a powder-coated exterior with IP66 waterproof rating and anti-corrosion hardware. It features a 3 by 6.6 inches bolt pattern and a 5.9 by 5.1 by 4.9 inches bracket, allowing for easy installation. From snow plowing and hunting to towing equipment, it's versatile. You can add it to various vehicles, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. What we like. With a 4,500 pounds capacity, this winch is ready for action. It includes a wireless remote for ease of use, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand rugged environments. If you're looking for a reliable winch for various tasks, from hunting trips to agricultural work, this one is a great choice. What people say. This 12V electric winch kit comes equipped with everything you need, including a sturdy fair lead and waterproof synthetic rope that offers both durability and safety. The wireless remote control adds an incredible level of convenience, allowing me to operate the winch from a distance ease. Complete kit, everything needed for installation. Compact, powerful and dirt cheap. Would buy again. Number 3. SuperATV 4,500 pounds Black Ops winch kit. Are you ready to conquer any trail? This winch kit from SuperATV is designed to get you out of tough spots. It's a reliable solution for your UTV or ATV. This winch boasts a powerful 1.3 HP motor and a 166:1 gear ratio. It provides the strength you need to pull your vehicle out of difficult situations. The automatic braking system adds an extra layer of safety. With a 4,500 pounds rated line pull and a 50-foot synthetic rope, it's ready for action. The synthetic rope is durable and won't shred your hands like steel cables. It's built to withstand the mud and muck. The kit includes everything you need: the winch, synthetic rope, a wired dash rocker switch, and more. It also comes with a waterproof solenoid and heavy-gauge wiring, long enough for 4-seaters. SuperATV has gone paperless. Access the installation instructions by scanning the QR code on your invoice. It's a convenient and eco-friendly way to get your winch up and running. What we like. This winch comes with a synthetic rope, which is safer and more flexible than steel cables. It also features a powerful 1.3 HP motor and is designed for easy installation. If you're looking for a winch that's easy to set up and use, and you appreciate the benefits of synthetic rope, this is the one for you. What people say. I installed this on a John Deere Gator 835M. I used some of John Deere's wiring from battery to the location I chose for the solenoid under the hood. No modifications were required for the mounting plate. The bolt holes already provided on the Gator worked fine. The wireless remote works great. Easy install to the SuperATV bumper, pulls fine, easy to spool out. Number 2. SuperATV Black Ops 6000 LB Winch Kit. Introducing the SuperATV Black Ops 6000 LB Winch Kit. This kit is designed to get you out of tough spots. It's a reliable solution for your UTV or ATV. This winch features a permanent magnet 12V 1.9 HP DC motor and a 6,000 pounds rated line pull. It's built to handle whatever the trail throws at it. The synthetic rope is strong and won't rust. The kit includes everything you need for installation, such as a wired dash rocker switch and a FieryRed support bracket. It's designed to be water resistant and easy to install. The included 50-foot synthetic rope is strong and flexible. It bends easily and has the same strength as steel cable. Plus, it won't rust or corrode. This winch is versatile and ready for any challenge on the trail. It's designed to solve big problems. Get yours today and be prepared for anything. What we like. This winch offers a substantial 6,000 pounds capacity, making it ideal for demanding recovery situations. It also features a durable synthetic rope and is built to be water resistant. If you need a winch that can handle the toughest challenges on the trail, this one is a solid pick. What people say. Mounted perfectly to my Ranger 900. Install was a breeze and this thing will pull anything out. Great construction and very sturdy. Fits the Kawasaki Ridge XR, great no interference, very strong, ripped a decent sized 20-foot tall tree stump, after we chopped it down, out of the ground. Great quality. Very happy. Number 1. Warn ProVantage 3500 Winch for ATV UTV. This is the Warn ProVantage 3500 winch. It's designed for ATVs and UTVs. It's a reliable tool for any off-road adventure. With a 3,500 pound pulling capacity, it can handle tough jobs. This winch provides the power you need to get unstuck or move heavy objects. It comes with 50 feet of durable 3/16-inch wire rope. The wire rope is strong and ready for action, giving you plenty of reach. It features a 3-stage planetary gear train. This design ensures smooth and efficient operation, making winching easier. The patented roller disc brake provides outstanding control. This feature helps you manage the winching process safely and effectively. It includes a wired remote control for easy operation. This allows you to control the winch from a safe distance. The winch is weather sealed for protection against the elements. This ensures its durability and reliability in various conditions. What we like. This winch provides a 3,500 pounds capacity, suitable for a wide range of ATV-UTV applications. It uses a wire rope and features a 3-stage planetary gear train for smooth and efficient operation. If you prioritize reliability and smooth performance in your winching tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect. Same bolt hole pattern and came complete. solenoids and switches, etc. Our 2019 SXS came with a 3,500 pounds Chinese brand winch. It gave up last week, so L ordered a 3,500 pounds worn ProVantage replacement. Original pictures when ordered didn't show it with a FieryRed included. Ordered one for under $20. When it arrived today, it included a roller FieryRed. Install was under 2 hours as it was a replacement, not complete new install. Came with extras that I didn't need since I was only replacing the winch. The package included cables, relay, and switch. Basically everything you would need to install a winch for the first time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.